Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the heart of your project setup in Cabinet Vision, the Material Manager. Screen shows the main Cabinet Vision interface with the mouse hovering over the top menu. Look at the top navigation bar of your interface. You'll see the material option located in the ribbon. Go ahead and click that to enter the material database. Once you're inside, you'll notice the layout feels very familiar. It functions just like a standard file manager. This allows you to keep your library organized exactly how you want it. Right-click on a blank space or an existing folder to show the menu. You can create custom folders to group your materials by supplier, project type, or material grade. To personalize your setup, simply right-click on a folder to rename it. This flexibility ensures you can find the right board or hardware in seconds. Now that you have your folder organized, look to the right-hand side. This is your board list. At the top, click the New button. From the drop-down menu, select Panel Stock. This is the standard selection for sheet goods like plywood, MDF, or melamine. The Setup wizard appears. The cursor clicks into the Name field, then the Description field. Now, give your board a specific name. We recommend using a clear format. Below that, you can type a description for your own reference, perhaps adding the supplier name or a specific core type. Once you've filled those out, click Next. As you type your description and name, notice how Cabinet Vision updates in real time. This visual feedback ensures you aren't making typos before you save the material to your database. Next, we need to tell the system how you buy this material. Under the Unit of Measure drop-down, you can select how you want to fix your price, whether it's by the sheet, by square meter, or square foot. Now, let's define the physical size. Simply click Next to continue. Now for the visual part. To make your 3D renderings look realistic, we need to apply a color or wood grain texture to our board. Top face and bottom face. The mouse selects a texture. Since the edges of your parts will eventually be covered by edge banding, you don't need to apply textures to the ends or edges here. Focus only on the two main faces to keep your setup clean and fast. Follow the video guidelines. Once everything is set, your new material will appear in the list on the right side. The mouse moves to the new material, right-clicks, and selects Properties from the context menu. Inside Properties, check everything grains and S2 meters center make it true. If all done, simply close the tab. Now your new board material successfully added in your library. In case raw boards, you don't apply the finish rest all same.